what I want to do is I want to install the Bluetooth transmitter to this old disc player, and I want to do it via auxiliary input, so I'm not going to use that input anymore and connect my phone via Bluetooth device. This is where the front connects. I need to take out that PCB and check the connections. Left channel. Preparing the wires. Wires are finished. Moving on. Now the PCB. What's frustrating here on the explanation what pin goes where, it is saying that both of the pins are from the right channel. And now the last A ground. PCB is marked where goes which wire, so left and ground in the middle, left and right. Ground, positive, that's the positive, and that's the negative. So the marking says the ground is here, and it's here. So this goes to the ground. Last but not least, positive input. And there is nothing about that voltage. So what I want to do, add a supply, power supply, feed it, and have a look where is the 5 volts. My device is on. Can't find 5 volts here. This is 5 volts. What's really important here, if the radio is off, the power supply should be off. It's working, and if the unit is switched off, it should be off. The new unit is switched off and the power is gone. Okay. That's a good news. And it's VDC. Let's have a look. Does it powers on the Bluetooth adapter? Yeah, so the Bluetooth device started to blink. That means it's working. I removed the front and it's off. Placing it back and the unit is off. It's not working. Instantly when it turns on the Bluetooth device. I reckon it's alright. Another thing, I want to check the continuity. Did I solder it without any problem? Looks alright. Yeah, all good. Ground, left channel, right channel, all good. The glues are hot. Okay, so this is how it's looking. It's maybe not the most beautiful glues I have ever seen, but I reckon it's alright. Assembling the player back. Assembling it back. The radio is here. Finally, let's test it, shall we? It is time to test it, so let's turn on the Bluetooth. Turn on the aux. Now pair a new device. XFW Bluetooth BT. I heard the noise. Now Spotify. Works like a charm. Thanks for watching and bye for now.